Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix scan type in Windows search bar of Windows 10 or 11. First things first, you want to right-click on the Windows icon and select Task Manager. Then just locate Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, just proceed for our next step. In the Task Manager, just go to File, Run New Task, then type CMD, then check Create this task with administrative privileges, and click OK. Enter then the command sfc/scan now in the command prompt window and press Enter. Then let it complete the scan. After that, just restart your PC or laptop to check if the fix is already working. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.